Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Ask Maitre Spoon. This is Kumar with you again. Hope you are enjoying my dishes. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you will get the notification whenever I make new dish. Okay, today I'm going to prepare a simple dish only, very simple dish. It's a bread pudding. Children will like it, and not only children, everybody will like it. So I'll make it today. So please enjoy and don't forget to subscribe as I told earlier. Thank you very much. I want to make it powder. So I'll be using this my dry grinder to powder it. Okay. Yeah. So this is the bread powder. Okay. Now let us start. Yeah. Just on the stove now. Okay. Medium flame. So I'm going to add half cup of sugar. Okay, and around 3 tablespoons of water. It's almost ready now. Okay. Okay, I'm off the flame now here. Okay. Yeah. I'll pour into a mold. No. Yeah. Yeah. Here I'm going to mix the custard. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of custard. Okay, that's it. With half cup of water. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there shouldn't be any lumps on that one. So this is now smooth. Okay, I'll keep it aside. Yeah, here I'm going to heat the milk a bit. Okay. Yeah, little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add the half cup of sugar into it. Okay. Just mix it a bit. Okay, and I'm going to add the custard. Okay, it's very nice color. Okay, just mix it for some time. Okay, yeah, it looks very nice. Yeah, it's very tasty also. I'm making this eggless actually. Yeah, it's ready now. So I'm going to add the breadcrumb now. So it's ready. Okay, mix it well. Yeah, let me add it to the bowl here. I'm going to steam it for some time. Okay, it's around 3-4 minutes. We'll add water here. Okay, keep it on. Keep the bowl there. Close it on the fire. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to off the fire now. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to store this for around 2 hours time in fridge. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back. Yeah, our bread pudding is ready for taste by my little darling. Okay, darling.
What is this one's name? And I'm very excited to know that and eat it.
Okay, this is known as bread pudding. You know, bread, milk, and sugar. That are the ingredients in this one.
Okay.
Now I will cut and keep a piece for you in the plate. We just try it, okay?
Okay.
Try. Let us see.
I will try it, and I'm excited
Yeah.
to eat. I love it.
Is it? How is it?
Yummy.
Yeah, why can't you try some liquid along with it and try it now?
Oh.
Cut it and try it.
It is yummy.
Yes.
Like, share and subscribe.
Enjoy the dish and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye bye.
Bye.